ये क्या लग रहा है? Let's see the sequences. So this is T1 in, this is T1 opposed. How to know that? You know the India ink artifact. No, pneumothorax, no marks. Pneumothorax तो दिख भी नहीं रहा ना, तो खाली ICD के बेसिस पे तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So what do you see in an opposed में? There is drop. So that tells us that there is microscopic fat. Microscopic fat देखते ही दिमाग में क्या 2 DD आ जाते हैं या 3 DD आ जाते हैं. One, it is an HNF1 alpha mutated hepatic adenoma, or nowadays they are also saying that WNT, or your beta catenin wala adenoma or inflammatory adenoma may also have fat. So any adenoma, but more typically HNF1 alpha is completely microscopic fat. Could be well differentiated HCC, could be angiomyolipoma, right? All three have microscopic fat. What do we see? We see that it is mildly hyperintense on T2. So this is your T2 hyperintensity. What do you see? It does show hyperintensity on diffusion. Okay. Then, yeah, AML is macroscopic, but in the liver, there is, little fat. It is not very grossly fatty. So in liver, we can also see. Then what are you seeing here? You can see in the arterial phase, there is enhancement, arterial hyper enhancing. And what do we see? Venous washout. And what do we see in the delayed phase? It still remains hypointense. And what do we see in the hepatocyte specific phase? So that should have been mentioned, but when you see 4 post-GAD, you can assume it's hepatocyte specific, and you can see that there are no functional hepatocytes. Had it been, an HCC or a well-differentiated HCC, it should have shown hepatocytes, right? Plus, there is no capsule formation. So because of these reasons, our first DD here would be and should be HNF1 alpha adenoma, right? So adenomas can show you enhancement and washout, isn't it? So they can behave completely like HCCs, or they may not sometimes show arterial enhancement. So their characteristics are, contrast dynamics are never really typical. They can show whatever. They can behave like HCC, they can behave hypovascular, they can behave hypervascular. Okay, so that's important. Left kidney does seem to have a lesion, but it just looks like a cyst which has some component of, a solid enhancing component. So this could be, a cystic RCC actually. Very good find. You are seeing arterial enhancement, and that also persists. So yeah, could actually be a cystic RCC.